Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make someone else as admin on Instagram group chat. Okay, first of all, you can open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can open your group chat. So you can go to the Instagram direct message, and this is my group chat. I'm the admin of this group chat, so I can choose someone else as admin on this Instagram group chat. Okay, we can just open the group chat. Then you're going to tap on members and select the member you would like to make as admin on your group chat. And I'm gonna go with this account. Then we can just click on this three dots button on the account, then click on make admin. Okay, and now this account has become an admin on this Instagram group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can make someone else as admin on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.